Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by opening Google Forms and creating a new form. Name it clearly so responses stay organized. Add a brief description that tells respondents what you need and why. Next, add your first questions. Choose short answer for names, multiple choice for categorical data, and date where timing matters. Once done, mark critical questions required so you avoid missing values. Make sure to use clear labels and help text to reduce confusion and speed up accurate responses. Now you design structure and logic so data is tidy. Create sections to separate topics and use conditional branching to show only relevant questions. This reduces respondent fatigue and improves quality. Add data validation rules for numbers, emails, and minimum text length to catch bad entries early. Once sections and rules are in place, preview the form to test paths and validations. Make adjustments where answers break flow. Make sure question order matches how you plan to analyze results later. To collect data, configure settings, allow one response, limit to domain, and toggle edit after submit if needed. Share the form using a shortened link, email, or embed it in a site. Track responses in real time by linking to Google Sheets for charts and filters. Once you see patterns, tweak validations or question wording and retest. If things go wrong, like missing data, check required fields and branching rules first. Then use the sheet to identify and clean problematic responses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.